In this activity, you will be exploring the different levels of organization in the human body. Our bodies are made of many small, simple atoms that come together to form more complicated structures. And the structures combine together to make even larger, more complicated structures until we end up with our bodies. So we have this picture here. You can see at the top we have an atom. We take a bunch of atoms together, they form molecules. If you take a bunch of molecules together, they'll form an organelle. If you take organelles together, they'll form cells, and so on and so forth. You take more cells, a bunch of cells, together they form tissues. Tissues form organs. Organs form organ systems, and if you take the different organ systems together, you end up with a human. And then further down, there is a little chart that gives some examples of each level of organization in the human body. And then there are some questions for you to answer. This is a really short activity. A lot of it is review from biology. If you have any questions, please send me an email.